You're gonna learn a lot of stuff that you don't usually hear and don't even think about, and I guarantee you after the class, you will gain extra field sales.
This has helped with my phone skills a lot and my confidence on the phone. My fear going into a phone call is quite a bit less.
This is more real results, real people. You know, it's real opportunity.
Referrals. Repeat, preparedness. Get ready for the customer before we talk to them.
They definitely know what they're talking about. I've tested it with live customers. It's working. So yeah, love the team here.
You think they're call scripts. It's not. It's taking that guy to control the conversation and letting them know, I'm calling you to benefit you, not me.